welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Brandy Giz and I'm back on your screen. I just uploaded a Sephora haul, the spring 2019 haul, so bear with me you guys. It should be up. If not, it will be up soon. But right now we're going to get into this mini haul from Ulta. And we're going to also do a little mini haul from NYX when I went to the mall like two weeks ago. Yeah, so let's get started. Okay, from Sephora I picked up the glitter. It's the glitter Brillance, and this is in the color Rose. When I looked in my stash when I got home, I realized I already own this here color. So unfortunately this has to go back and I'll pick up another shade. Then while I was standing in line, I seen this on the end cap. You know, also has this end cap of goodies while you're standing in line. And this is the Morphe 3B Pure Nude palette. And it just has three really nice eyeshadows, sultry shades. And this is it, real cute. You can take on vacation, you can travel with this. And it has your sleeve. And these are the three shades that I wore already. I wore these and they look so pretty on. I'll swatch it for you guys. The deepest one is brown hue. And that's it right there. Then we have, why did I say brown hue? It's called deep hue. The next one is called velvet. That's the one in the middle. That's velvet. And the next one and the last one is called Kinda Natural. And that's it right there. Hopefully the camera picks it up. And that's Kinda Natural. Yeah, so I thought these were really pretty. I had wore these shades already, and I know it has great potential. I just wore it when I had concealer on my lids and I didn't have the primer that I always wear on my lids, so I looked a greasy mess when I had wore it. But I'll be wearing that with my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. And then I picked up these Milani Stay Put Brow Sculpting Pencils, and this is in dark brown, and I also picked one up in medium brown. I wasn't sure which one I liked, and this right here I used twice, and I realized I'm going to swatch it for you guys. Okay, so this is the brown, and it is a really nice brown, but it's too oily. It makes my lids, it makes my brows really oily for some reason. This was not business. So I don't like that. I'm gonna have to give these away. And from Target I only picked up one item. I picked up some other stuff, but this is the only beauty item that I will bring to you. And this is from Maybelline. It's the Super Stay Matte Ink, and the only reason why I picked this up because of Little Cute Nurse. She had put this on and it looked really cute on her, and yeah, I picked that up. I'm gonna swatch it for you. It's just basically a nude, and that's it right there. Yep, there you go. And the shade that I picked up is called Driver. Really pretty. From NYX I needed some wipes and I wanted to try theirs out, and these are the Be Gone makeup remover wipes. I picked up two lippies. One is called the NYX Candy Slick Glowy Lip Color, and I'll swatch it right here. It has like a cooling sensation once you put that on your lips, and that is it right there. Hopefully you guys can see how that looks, and it's a really pretty like mauve pink. And I placed this on top, and this is their Filler Instinct, and it's supposed to give you like a plumping effect, a plumping lip polish, and that is the name of it. And I'm gonna swatch it down here. It has like that shimmery look. and it has that shimmery look on your lips. So I would use that as a topper. And the reason why I did go into NYX is because they have that lip liner that I love to use that looks really nice. It's really soft, really creamy, stays put, and just outline your lips real nice. So this is the NYX Glide On, Slide On, Glide On, Stay On, and definitely a turn on waterproof extreme lip color. And this is it right here, and the shade that I picked up is called Urban Cafe. And if I'm wearing some kind of nude or some kind of pink, I usually will have this on, and it looks amazing. And I also picked up another one. I don't know, this is okay, but I like the Urban Cafe better. This one is called Intimidate, and it's just a brown. So that is Intimidate. Let me see if I have the other one that I didn't open yet that's in my makeup case that I can swatch for you guys so that you can see how it might look on. Okay, and this is my little one that I have in my purse, and here is the swatch of it. So this is like my favorite one, and that's Urban Cafe, and that's called Intimidate. Yeah, and that's why I end up going back to NYX so that I can get another one, because I'm almost to the nub. Ulta didn't carry them, and they are sold out online on the Ulta website, so I had to end up going to the store. And for your purchase, I received this NYX Professional Makeup Brush, and it just says love you, mean it. And it's a brush that I don't know, I'll probably end up using, I'm not sure, but it looks like so. And yeah, they gave you that for free. Okay, so that will complete my really quick haul from NYX and Ulta. Until then, y'all have a blessed one. Bye, y'all.